Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check your TV and receiver or soundbar specs for Earc. Next, connect a certified high-speed HDMI cable to the TV's HDMI Earc port and to the audio device's HDMI Earc port. Once connected, power both devices and set TV audio output to Earc or HDMI Arc. Make sure CEC is enabled only if you want remote control integration. Otherwise, disable duplicate CEC options to prevent signal conflicts. Once done, open the TV audio settings and select bitstream or pass-through so the TV forwards Dolby Atmos or DTS X to your receiver. On the receiver, choose the corresponding input audio mode and confirm it accepts high bitrate formats. Make sure sample rate and channel config are compatible. If there's a mismatch, choose automatic negotiation. Also check both devices for firmware updates and enable any labeled Earc mode. Firmware often fixes handshake and codec negotiation issues. You finish by playing known Atmos or DTS-X content and watching the receiver's on-screen display for the codec name to confirm Earc pass-through. If audio doesn't appear, power cycle both devices, reseat the HDMI Earc cable, and ensure the TV's output remains set to Earc. If problems persist, try a different high-speed HDMI cable, disable secondary HDMI CEC devices, and run a TV audio diagnostic. These steps isolate whether the TV, cable, or receiver is blocking the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.